How to link Spotify to Instagram Notes. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to update both the apps Instagram and Spotify. To check that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for each app Instagram and then Spotify. If you find the option of update for any of the app, just click on it and then update the app to its latest version. Once you have updated both the app, what you need to do is launch your Instagram. Now click on the message icon given at the top right. Once you end this page, at the very top you're going to find the option of your note. Click on that. Now click on this music option. You're going to get this kind of pop-up, link Spotify. Click on it. Allow Spotify to connect to Instagram. Click on agree. Just with that, you have linked your Spotify account to the Instagram. Now what you need to do is click on this option, share from Spotify. Now you can go ahead and launch your Spotify and play any of the song that you want to share in your Instagram note. Once you play the song, it will appear in your note in this way. Now you can click on share and upload it. So this way you can easily link Spotify to Instagram notes. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.